Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. Here we've got our 2018 Ford Mustang 5-litre GT, finished in blue with the black wheels. Do read the advert on this one because it's quite a special car. It's got loads of additions, such as the Roush exhaust, which really does sound amazing, and loads of stuff which is all listed in the advert, so it's worth taking a moment to read that. The car is got full service history. We can finance this HP or hire purchase, whatever is of use to you, and we will take in part exchanges and can arrange settled existing finance agreements. Inside, it's got the ebony black leather, climate control heated seats, and again upgraded gear stick by Hurst, and the red starter button on top of everything else that it's got standard. Don't expect this car to be around with this long. Do give us a call on 01244 570 814 to discuss further. Thanks for watching.